Alright, so this is my first pack in like 13 months on a slammed alien that I built and have never flown or tuned with the RC40 from Alex. Let's see if it comes home in one piece, I guess.
I know who you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come home with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real. It's going down for real. And they already know me. It's going down further than famous. Girls get wetter than Katrina. Yeah, my girl, you never seen it. Cause my tins by limousines. My touch say it's the Midas. We the plus, your man, the minus. My team blowing on that slam. Make you cough, that's bronchitis. Put your hands up. It's a stick up, no more makeup. Get that ass on the floor, ladies. Put your lipstick up. Double entendre. Double entendre. Why you hating? I get money. Then I double up conquers. I know who you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come home with me.
Felt okay. The video's really subpar. So I'm not sure if the VTX is working correctly. I guess I'm just going to pop into the menu real quick and make sure that this VTX is actually unlocked. Quality is a little bit better. The video is breaking up way too much for where I'm flying, and being at 800 with what looks to be a antenna that's doing just fine. But this quad, got y'all crooked. This quad's been through hell. I said earlier that I'd never flown it, but that's true in this configuration. So this is like a basher alien that I know, right? Super expensive frame as a basher, but it was like a bando alien, and I just bought the slam kit, fixed one of the arms. These ESCs, motors, PDB, everything inside of it, except for the camera and one of the arms, has been through hell. So this is more of just like more of a rebuild than anything. So VTX could just be fucked up, or maybe I'm touching some carbon with the SMA under there. I don't know. Whatever. We'll see.
Go out and play, yo, I was up in my room, I let the stereo blaze. On Saturdays when kids go out and play, I was up in my room, I let the stereo play. It's all inside of me. It's all inside of me. It's all inside of me. It's all inside of my head. It's all inside of me. It's coming over me. It's all inside of me. It's all inside of me.
Yeah, not sure if it's the 5.8 frequency that I'm on. Video wasn't any better in this particular area. I'm expecting it to be significantly better than it is. And it's definitely VTX receiver. I'm not getting any noise from the quad itself that I can see. Just did signal breakup.